This is a used 2012 Infiniti G37, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine. With fewer than 20,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, premium rims, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.